No! No!
I need you to stay awake. You're trying to fall asleep while I'm driving.
Sunday drive. Window open?
Why didn't Dale call me back?
I don't want to put out and sound like an idiot.
But I already know he's an idiot.
Any more than he already is.
I guarantee you what is on this guy's mind was, I just want to get home and have a beer. I guarantee it.
Meanwhile, we're recording ourselves drinking beer and driving blizzard conditions.
Yeah.
High definition video for 3 minutes.
3 minutes.
3 minutes at a time. Hooker uploads. I just uploaded one of Frank's video. It's 14 minutes. On high definition. It's still pending.
Yeah.
I uploaded a 5-minute video and a 10-minute of regular 480. Posted and gone on YouTube.
We don't need it anymore.
Nope.
It is a little better, but what are you watching?
Yeah, I'm supposed to watch it on my phone anyway.
Yeah, this road's actually pretty good.
Yeah.
From what I can recollect.
Open her up, baby. Open her up.
Back to open.
What? Yeah, they do.
At least I brought mine.
I spent half an hour shoveling and cleaning my car out.
Well, you don't want to have your brakes sweated?
Actually, would have been inside my hoodie.
Yeah.